when state of a body changes, when state of a body changes, change of state takes place, change of state takes place at fixed temperature, at fixed temperature, that is either melting point of ice or boiling point of water, or boiling point of water, boiling point of water. The heat required, the heat released, or absorbed, the heat released or absorbed is given by Q is equal to ml. Q is equal to ml, and that is called latent heat. And that is called latent heat. Latent heat is of two types. Latent heat is of two types. See here, but latent heat is of two types. One is called latent heat of fusion, and second is called latent heat of vaporization. See towards the blackboard. One is called latent heat of fusion and one is called latent heat of vaporization. So dear students, what is latent heat of fusion? How do you define the latent heat of fusion? The latent heat of fusion is defined as the amount of heat required to be supplied to a solid at its melting point to convert it from solid to liquid. किसी सॉलिड को बेटा उसके मेल्टिंग पॉइंट पर हम कितनी हीट दें ताकि 1 किलोग्राम सॉलिड लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट हो जाए इज कॉल्ड लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन. सो व्हाट इज लेटेंट ऑफ फ्यूजन? लेटेंट हीट ऑफ फ्यूजन स्टूडेंट्स इज डिफाइंड एज amount of heat to be supplied to 1 kilogram of a substance at its melting point to convert it from solid to liquid state. Boys, for example, latent heat of fusion for ice is 80 calorie per gram. Its meaning is that to convert 1 gram of ice from ice to water, we need 80 calorie heat. When we supply 80 calorie of heat to 1 gram of ice, then ice at its melting point will be converted into what beta? Water. 80 calorie per gram is the latent heat of fusion for ice. Its meaning is that to convert 1 gram of ice from solid to liquid state, at its melting point, we need 80 calorie of heat beta. Second is your latent heat of vaporization. Latent heat of vaporization is the amount of heat to be supplied to 1 kilogram of 1 kilogram of liquid. Latent heat of vaporization is defined as the amount of heat to be supplied to 1 kilogram of liquid to convert it into vapor at its what? Boiling point. Boiling point पर बेटा 1 किलोग्राम लिक्विड को वेपर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए जितनी हीट की जरूरत होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन. फॉर वाटर इट इज 540 कैलोरी पर ग्राम. कि क्या वैल्यू होती है बेटा इसकी? 540 कैलोरी पर ग्राम. लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन ऑफ वाटर. लेटेंट हीट ऑफ वेपोराइजेशन ऑफ वाटर बेटा, इट इज 540 calorie per gram. Means to convert 1 kilogram of water into steam. To convert 1 kilogram of water into steam, we need what beta? 540 calorie per gram. यानी कि 1 ग्राम वाटर को स्टीम में बदलने के लिए हमें कितनी चाहिए बेटा? 540. अगर हम 1 किलोग्राम कहेंगे तो यहाँ क्या आ जाएगी बेटा? 540 किलो कैलोरी पर किलोग्राम. कॉपी